Kobe White off the dribble, courses up and scores.
I'm Kobe White from the Chicago Bulls.
Dinwiddie. Jumper, he threw it away.
Bulls second group coming out playing with energy and got it back in the game.
Kobe, wide open three. Kobe. Stops.
Timberwolves have hit 5 of their last 6 shots after an 0-for-4 start. Kobe White will step back in the mid-range. Thad Young gives it up to Kobe White, and he hits the corner 3.
Has done a nice job with him. Jordan McLaughlin also has teamed up very nicely with Naz Reid.
Kobe White to the lane. Kobe White to the basket. Somehow.
Kobe White change of direction. Nice watch.
So interesting was you said Michael Jordan's flu game motivates you even to this day. How does it do that?
It motivates me because whenever I'm sick
That is picked up drumming. That means he had to take love and was late getting out of there.
Kobe with a move, a scoop, and a score.
Kobe doing Kobe things. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, behind the back. Whoop, get out of my way. And let me get some butter with that roll.
Kobe down in there with Drummond on him. Kobe trying to set him up. Kobe firing and scoring. Bang. Bulls defenses, they're moving their feet. They've been aggressive. They're attacking ball. Good pass by Kobe. Kobe off the screen. Then the step back is good.
Driving Mr. Daisy, not Miss Daisy, Mr. Daisy.
Kobe splash.
He's got the green light, the three-point line.
Kobe, that's good. Kobe. Hitting and a foul.
Wright will pull up for 3. Gets the roll.
Came up short. Yang with the 3.
White driving, scores, and a foul.
Well, now watch right here. Clarkson comes up, fouls him, but there's no rim protection there. Totally different game when Gobert's not out there. Three-point line compared to like 13% last season.
Kobe White to Thaddeus, back to Kobe. Fires, and that's good. Cut off. Back out to Valentine, to Kobe White. Good again. Dunn slices into the lane. Back out it comes. In the air.
You don't expect someone his age to be doing right now.
And he has led that team. I don't think anybody, as Kobe sticks one from outside. They're struggling to win games now. Kobe White, good again. And might be all right in this system.
Oh, watch your head.
One-handed stop. Boost just his presence on the floor in the first half. Kobe White, and there's that. Oh, boy. Dinwiddie. Jumper, he threw it away.
Fought for and saved by Kobe.
Compton comes in struggling from the 3, 28% this year.
There's Kobe not struggling.
Oh, he's got 99 problems. But
41-37, Chicago leading the Bucks. Kobe White
scoring right now.
Outside, Kobe, and that's down the well. What? Here's Kobe again. Good again. 3 straight. White again. Come on, give me that. The free throws missed. Kobe again. Got it. Hot sauce. Had a little juice. There's a steal by Kobe White. Ties his net. 1:02 left. Timeout. LA. Difference in the game. White against Caruso. Fires the jumper and scores.
Once again, the veteran Young holds his ground on the defensive end. Here's White working on Dellavedova. Elbow jumper and he scores.
Thaddeus Young bricks a 3. Wendell Carter, the tap out rebound. And what a look from Kobe White. First assist of the night. It's to Chris Dunn. A 7-point game.